मैं यहाँ इस मामले में आया हूँ। अब मैं जानता हूँ कि आप इस मामले को उठवाना नहीं चाहते हो, आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट कराना चाहते हो, क्योंकि आप
और जहाँ औरतें, लड़कियाँ अपने आप को सुरक्षित महसूस नहीं करती, वो समाज सभ्य समाज नहीं है, वो डेमोक्रेसी कलंकित है, वो हमारी प्रगति में सबसे बड़ा अवरोधक है। और आज के दिन the fear in the mind of our girls and women is a cause of concern. It's a national concern. How can in land of Bharat girls and women be unsafe? How can their dignity be outraged? How can there be rape and murder in hospital when girl doctor is in service of humanity, saving lives of others? This is painful. It happened in 2012. It happened in 80s also, Mathura. A lady who was molested in a police station, but acquittal was there on technical grounds. इसलिए आज हम एक चौराहे पर खड़े हैं। भारत की राष्ट्रपति who is a tribal woman, who has seen grassroots reality. She was constrained to express herself. I appeal to all the girls to read it. I'll share the copy of a statement with the principal. What the president has said, enough is enough. Let us call it enough is enough. I want this clarion call to be national call. I want everyone to be participant in this call. Let us resolve, create a system no longer. Zero accommodation, zero tolerance. When you make a girl or woman victim, you are injuring our civilization. You are injuring sublimity. You are behaving like a monster. You are exemplifying barbarity to an extreme draconian level. Nothing should come in the way. And I want everyone in the country to heed the sane, sage, and timely caution by the President of India. I am appalled. I am pained and somewhat surprised that someone holding a position in the Supreme Court bar, a member of parliament, acting in a manner, and what does he say? A symptomatic malaise, and suggested that such incidents are commonplace. What a shame. Words fail me in condemning such a stance. It is doing greatest injustice to the high position. But I am glad members of the bar have come in support of our girls and women. for partisan interest, for self-interest, you take a stance, leveraging your authority to perpetrate such kind of heinous injustice to our girls and women. Let me tell you, girls, 1975 was a draconian period. Emergency was clamped. More than lakh of people were put behind bars. Darkest period of Indian democracy. Terror was unleashed by the then Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi to save her seat. Everyone caved in. Supreme Court bar did not cave in. The President of the Supreme Court bar then questioned the then Chief Justice A.N. Ray, where under challenge was judgment of 9 high courts. The 9 high courts in one voice has held fundamental rights survive even in emergency. Justice A.N. Ray, the then Chief Justice, formed a convenient bench of 5 judges. The then President of the Supreme Court bar went to him, have only the senior-most 5 judges. And that is how Justice A.N. Ray, Justice Beg, Justice Chandrachud Senior, Justice Bhagwati, and Justice S.R. Khanna, the lone dissenter, was part of that bench. We could know the real pain through dissenting view of Justice S.R. Khanna. A leading newspaper in the US wrote, democracy has been derailed in India in its 18th year. Should it ever come back, there will be a statue in honor of H.R. Khanna. But H.R. Khanna was part of that bench because President of the Supreme Court bar, even in the face of emergency, took a stand. And here one says it is symptomatic, malice, incidents are commonplace. I strongly condemn it. The relieving feature is that members of the bar have risen in unison to come in favor of girls and women. What can be greater injustice to humanity? We trivialize suffering of our girls? No, not any longer. Girls, give up your fear. Your fear helps those monsters. Do not cave in. We must have now an ecosystem so deterrent that no one dares to outrage your dignity, much less commit things like rape. The nation is yours. ये जो हवन हो रहा है पूरे देश में विकसित भारत के लिए, इस हवन कुंड में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण आहुति आपकी है। गांधी जी ने कहा था, बच्चे को पढ़ाओ सुधर जाएगा, बच्ची को पढ़ाओ समाज सुधर जाएगा। I call upon each of you, girls, be financially independent. That is quintessentially important for you to unleash your energy and potential. Do it. And I'm sure you will see the change immediately.